Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto Z3 Play, and today I will show you how to format the SD card. So to get started, let's open up Settings, it's right here, and then scroll down to Storage, and here you should see your SD card. So tap on that, it'll take you to the storage of it, where you can tap on 3 dots and go into Storage Settings, and you will see Format option right here. So tap on Format, it will provide you with a message that while performing this will remove all the data from it. That is the point. So let's format the SD card. Give it a second and it should be right about done. Anytime, there we go. Tap on Done and you're finished. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.